Greetings dear followers, introducing the Shinemate Mini Polisher and Mini Polisher Toolkit. This vehicle's chrome has heavy oxidation and using a conventional rotary machine here won't be efficient due to its size. The Mini Polisher is perfect for removing water spots and oxidation in such tight areas. The Mini Polisher comes with 1 inch, 2 inch and 3 inch pads. As you can see, the oxidation has been completely removed. On the left side is the heavily oxidized chrome before using the rotary mini polisher, and on the right are the stunning gleaming results after the treatment. The rotary mini polisher reaches areas a normal rotary machine can't, ensuring your car gets the best possible results. The Mini Polisher Toolkit, on the other hand, is perfect for giving your car the meticulous attention to detail it deserves. It excels at cleaning those hard-to-reach areas such as door handles, car badges, and the speedometer that often go overlooked, ensuring your vehicle receives the best possible final touches.